So hello, this is Toyota Corolla, and this car, the number one injector is not working. So I checked the fault, and it was the control board. When you start, it will start while the engine is shaking. So I realized one of the injectors is not working. The power is not coming. So the fault is from the control board. And this is the new control board here. So I'll show you how to program this control board. Show you how to. So first, I need to spark and see the performance before. So now let's start. Everything is shaking. This one is not working. Let's do this one. This one is working. This one is not working. First, you need to open the OBD port this and find a wire like this. So you are going to use a wire like this. So you need to count the pins 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you plug it. Then from down to start from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you plug it. Then you turn on the ignition. Turn on the ignition cord. So you see the cruise light is blinking, the cruise light is flashing. We have to wait about 30 minutes. So we are going to wait about 30 minutes and then you will spark. See, so now the ECU is programming. So let's wait about 30 minutes and try again. So it's about 30 minutes now. It's about 30 minutes now, so let's wait. So this 30 minutes, so we are going to remove the cable and try. Oh. Remove the cable and try. So let's talk. Engine is very stable now. Everything is working. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Now let's check if the record is working now. working.